So today I bought brand new foundation and concealer. So I have bought the Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation Full Cover Oil-Free Shine Control, and I feel like that is something that you definitely need, or that I'm gonna definitely need just in general because I have extremely oily skin. And then I went and got the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, which can kind of low-key be used as a full-faced foundation. So I've already primed my face with Fenty Beauty's primer. So now we're just gonna go ahead and put the foundation on because I do concealer on top of the foundation. The shit literally dies as soon as I like turn it on to start making the video, which is some bullshit, so. Guys, daylight savings has me fucked up. Like, I literally was trying to make a video yesterday and it was 5 o'clock and it was looking like 8 o'clock. And I'm like, wait a minute, I was trying to make a video. Bitch, it feels like 12. Oh my God, great. This foundation is amazing. So I have always gone back and forth between pretty much a bunch of different foundations in Dior Air Flash. Dior Air Flash is always gonna be home base. Okay, so we have our foundation on. It does not feel heavy. It doesn't feel like overly like wet. You know how sometimes when you wear a foundation and it feels really like you can feel it on your face? I don't really feel this one too much. I had worn it the other day for a full day and I didn't really feel crazy at all, actually. I felt really pretty sexy. Now we're gonna take Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer and apply that where we need to conceal, which is underneath my eyes. Do not take too much because this is literally like a second foundation. So be very cautious with that. I feel like I'm back in high school. Like, remember when I used to make my makeup tutorials in my room and I literally would be on like a daylight time frame. Like, I would only film in the daylight in high school and, well, kind of college too when I was living at home in college. But yeah, I would literally just film between like 12 and 4 when my parents were out of the house and when there was a lot of light. Girl, talk about coming a long way. This is so nostalgic. Honestly, it feels kind of good. Like, it really does. It feels like I'm back in like actual YouTube time and not like this whole showcase it's become. It's like so lost. It's, I don't know, I get it, people want to perfect their crafts and it's like a career and it's like a real ass thing, but at the same time it's like, damn, can we get some raw? Something raw? It's okay, I'll be raw. I'll be the raw bitch that has like who like stays at this level for the rest of her life, but at least I know I have you guys who are down for me and like my content. And you know, I love this so much because I can still see like all my beauty marks through the shit rather than having to go over it like with a pen and like accentuate them after it's already, voila. I'm gonna get my nails done literally today. I just have not had the time, and plus when you're moving it's not really the smartest to have a set of fake nails on so they can all pop off. Now I'm taking Too Faced Dark Chocolate Matte. Now I'm just blending out the bronzer that I just put on. You see how this kind of like, every part and every step of makeup is just so crazy how much it changes from the first or from the last. For the blusher, I'm using Tarte. I don't even know how to say this part. Achiote or Achiote. I'm taking that and I'm gonna use that for the blusher today. I have like 2 seconds to finish this tutorial because this battery pack sucks. We're just gonna take this top one, which is like this subtle peach, and just apply that on our lids so lightly because we just want a little bit of shimmer. This is enough to draw some attention to your eye without looking crazy, like a disco ball. And this is something that I do almost every day when I want to have like a wet, glossy lid, because throughout the day it kind of just sinks into your skin and it really just sits like a, like, you know how when people have those glossy lids, it really just sits like that, at least for me. Okay. Fenty liner real quick, and then we're gonna highlight, and then we're good. Okie doke. I can barely see my eyeliner because these lashes, I just got them done literally an hour ago. So I'm pretty sure it's a-okay. So now we're gonna just highlight a little bit with the Kaja highlighter. It's the perfect, like, natural, sultry, nude highlight that I like. So it just works proper good for me. So yeah, I'm going to apply it right here where I usually apply my highlights. And not too much because a bitch is oily as fuck and I really cannot. So we're gonna be very frugal with it. For the lips, I'm using Bite Cosmetics number 36 as a lip liner, which was on sale at Sephora for $9. I don't know if it was just like a promotional thing at the time, but when I went last week, it was on sale and it was $9. I think it's originally like 18. All right, and then for the lipstick, I'm taking Bite Cosmetics in Chai lipstick. It's a sample I got. It wasn't the birthday gift that I got from Sephora actually, so happy birthday to me, bitch. All right, guys, so that's about it for my, there's my jacket. That is it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. It was kind of quick and basic, but I will keep updating you guys about how the foundation wears throughout the day, all that stuff, but I like it. I like the way it looks right now. I like the way it feels.